Look over there, there's a little thunderstorm. It's so bright, the light, the sparks. And it's heading this way, straight to the airport. And oh look, there's another. I'm surrounded. Ooh, that was a good one. Show me the light, it's bright. I'm just gonna pull in the Staybridge Suites Hotel over there, and then I'm gonna watch the lightning, and then I'm gonna get room service, and then I'm gonna watch the storm, cause it's moving at 15 miles per hour northeast into Albuquerque, while I wait for Blake Slaughterburger to arrive.